The ball with the cut on the baby become flat as a result of hydraulic pressure. Let's see what happened to this candy. A very beautiful car has been flattened by hydraulic pressure. The hydraulic pressure caused the color box to flatten out. This time I put a pistol shot under the hydraulic compression. The hydraulic pressure of the water causes such a large pieces of iron to split into in an instant. As a result of heated hydraulic pressure, the packet go round. How much precision can a small iron ball withstand? As a result of hydraulic pressure, the showpiece become flat. Now let's put hydraulic pressure on a can bottle. We put a steel under the hydraulic pressure. The steel exploded very loudly. I put a big ball under the hydraulic compression. The small toy train become flat as a result of hydraulic pressure. This time I collected a lot of coin and put it under the hydraulic compression. As a result of hydraulic pressure, it is slowly getting worse. I put a bolt under the hydraulic pressure. The came bottle bursts in the middle due to hydraulic pressure. I put a clay showpiece under the hydraulic pressure. I put a lot of clips under hydraulic pressure. Now we will put hydraulic pressure on the shop.